Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Python Pandas is a powerful library for data manipulation and analysis. It provides numerous features for working with date and time data. One common operation is subtracting two date times to calculate the time duration between them. However, when you subtract two date time objects in Pandas, you might encounter a situation where the result is 0. In this tutorial, we will explore why this happens and how to handle it effectively. When you subtract two datetime objects in Pandas, the result is a Timedelta object, which represents the duration between the two datetime points. If you get a result of 0, it's often due to the following reasons. Precision issue: the datetimes may be too precise, such that the difference is smaller than what Pandas can represent. Identical date times: the two date times you are subtracting might actually be the same, which results in a zero duration time delta. Differences in time zones: if the two date time objects are in different time zones, the subtraction may not yield the expected result, especially when not considering time zone differences. Let's work through a code example to illustrate these scenarios. In this example, we're subtracting two datetime objects that are identical, which will result in a time delta of 0. If you run this code, you'll see the following output. If you encounter zero duration time deltas and you need to differentiate them from other time delta values, you can check if the time delta is 0 using a simple condition. This will allow you to handle zero duration time deltas in your data processing. When you subtract two datetime objects in Python Pandas and get a zero duration time delta, it's essential to understand why it's happening and to be prepared for it in your data analysis. By following the explanations and code examples in this tutorial, you can effectively handle this situation and differentiate zero duration time deltas from other time delta values in your Pandas data manipulation projects. ChatGPT.